like birds.
It's a stroke of luck you know the remedy for your lost voice, Papa Smurf. What will we ever do without your good advice? And how could we get to sleep without you singing your lullabies? Oh, you're right. My mistake, Papa Smurf. This isn't the potion to cure your lost voice, but a body-switching potion, right? What in the Smurf are you doing here? Papa Smurf's laboratory is no place for a caterpillar. Shoo! Huh? And you can leave too. Shoo, shoo, before you start smurfing everywhere. Are you okay, Papa Smurf? Did you smurf your head? With all due respect, Papa Smurf, you're acting a little weird, right? Oh dear, Papa Smurf has lost his Smurf. He thinks it's a bird. Hey, you're going to break everything. Get out. This place isn't a zoo. Oh, that's an aggressive birdie. That's it. Get out of here. Come on, Papa Smurf. We have to cure you. Hey!
Did you see that, Dinwiddie?
Yeah. Papa Smurf is learning to fly.
Come back, Papa Smurf! Stop! Let's Smurf back to the lab.